Welcome to another episode of the universe. Today, we are going to take the journey into the universe as we are going to continue discovering the stars and the galaxies. So, sit back, relax, and grab your coffee and popcorn. So, let's go. The stars and galaxies are some of the most captivating phenomena into the universe, each holding an immense story of the cosmic evolution and the laws of nature. Stars are massive, luminous balls of gas primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. They form when clouds of gas and dust known as the nebulae collapse under gravity. This collapse causes the material at the core to heat up and undergo nuclear fusion, where hydrogen atoms fuse to form helium, releasing an incredible amount of energy into the process. This energy creates the light and heat that makes stars visible from great distance. Stars come into various sizes, colors, and lifespans. Their color indicates the temperature. Red stars are cooler, while blue stars are hotter. The size of the star also influences this lifespan. Massive stars burn through their fuel quickly and may also last millions of years, while smaller stars like our sun can shine for billions of years. As stars reach at the end of their lives, they can transform into red giant or supernovae, explosive events that scatter elements throughout space. Some remnants of these explosions, like neutron stars or black holes, are among the densest objects in the universe. Galaxies are massive collections of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter, bound together by gravity. They can be very widely in shape, size, and structure. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is a spiral galaxy that contains hundreds of billions of stars, including our sun, along with nebulae, star clusters, and other celestial objects. Galaxies come in several distinct shapes, such as spiral, elliptical, and irregular. Spiral galaxies like the Milky Way have a central bulge surrounded by flat, rotating disks and spiral arms. Elliptical galaxies are more round and lack the distant feature of spiral galaxies. Irregular galaxies, as the name suggests, have no defined shape and often result from interaction with other galaxies. Most galaxies exist into groups or clusters, and the Milky Way is part of the small group called the local group. Galaxies are not stationary, but are moving through space, often towards one another. In fact, the Milky Way and the Andromeda Galaxy, two of the largest galaxies in our local group, are on a collision course and will eventually merge into 4.5 billion years. Stars and galaxies are not just beautiful objects, they are fundamental to understanding the universe. The formation of elements in stars and the dispersal of these elements during supernovae events have allowed for the development of planets and life as we know it. As stars die and galaxies collide, they shape the cosmic landscape, driving the evolution of the universe itself. On the larger scale, galaxies are arranged into clusters and superclusters, forming vast cosmic structures. The observable universe contains billions of galaxies, each with its own stellar population and story. The study of stars and galaxies not only help us understand the past, present, and future of the universe, but also our place within it. Stars and galaxies represent the beauty and complexity of the cosmos, and they continue to inspire astronomers and scientists to explore the depth of space, seeking answers to the most profound questions of existence. There are billions of galaxies into the universe, but some of the most well-known ones are relatively close to our cosmic terms. Here are a few notable galaxies and approximately distant from Earth. The Milky Way galaxy. 0 light years. It's our home galaxy. The Milky Way is a large bird spiral galaxy home to our solar system. It contains hundreds of billions of stars, and its structure is divided by central bulge, spiral arms, and a halo of stars and the dark matter. Andromeda Galaxy, distance 2.537 million light years. The Andromeda Galaxy is the closest spiral galaxy to the Milky Way and is on collision course with our galaxy. It is 2.5 times the size of Milky Way and will merge with us in about 4.5 billion years. Triangulum Galaxy, distance approximately 3 million light years. Triangulum is the third largest member of the local group of galaxies. The Milky Way, the Andromeda are two of the other three. It is a spiral galaxy and is often considered a satellite galaxy of Andromeda. Whirlpool Galaxy, distance approximately 23 million light years. The Whirlpool Galaxy is a classic spiral galaxy located to the constellation Canes, Venetiti. It is interacting with a smaller companion galaxy, NGC 5195, which gives it to the whirlpool appearance. Sombrero Galaxy, distance approximately 28 million light years. The Sombrero Galaxy is a spiral galaxy located to the constellation Virgo. It is named for its shape, which resembles a Mexican sombrero hat due to its bright central bulge and a large dark dust-laden galaxy. Catwind Galaxy, distance 500 million light years. The Catwind Galaxy is a rare galaxy formed by a collision with another galaxy. The collision causes a shockwave of stars forming, creating the bright, colorful ring structure that gives it its name. Centaurus A, approximately 13 million light years. Centaurus A is one of the closest active galaxies to Earth and is an elliptical galaxy with a large central supermassive black hole. It has a distinct appearance with a dust lane crossing through its center. M87 or Messier, 53 million light years. The M87 is a giant elliptical galaxy located to the Virgo cluster. It is famous for being the first galaxy to have its supermassive black hole directly imaged in 2019 by the Event Horizon Telescope. NGC 6744 is a spiral galaxy in the constellation Pavo. It is often compared to the Milky Way due to the similar structure and size. It is 30 million light years away. IC 1.14 billion light years is one of the largest known galaxies located to the Abell 2029 galaxy star cluster. It's an enormous elliptical galaxy with a size and a mass far exceeding that of the Milky Way. Tadpole Galaxy, distance 420 million light years. The Tadpole Galaxy is a spiral galaxy into the constellation Hydra, known for its long curved tail of stars and gas created by collision with another galaxy. Bode Galaxy, 12 million light years, located in the constellation Ursa Major. M81 is a spiral galaxy that is part of the M81 group, a small group of galaxies. It is one of the most studied galaxies due to its proximity and well-defined spiral structure. These distances are just a small sample, but they give the sense of how vast the universe is. Most galaxies are located millions or even billions of light years away from Earth, showcasing the enormous scale of the cosmos. The Firework Galaxy, distance 70 million light years, is a spiral galaxy located into the constellation Papis. It is known for its intense stars formation and spectacular supernova remnants, giving its bright, fiery appearance. NGC 1300, 61 million light years, is a bird-spiral galaxy to the constellation Eridanus. It has distinct well-divided Burr structure that runs through its center, with the two spiral arms that wrap around its symmetric pattern. Its capture galaxy, 11.4 million light years, also known as the Scepter galaxies, bright edge on spiral galaxy located into the Scepter constellation. It is one of the brightest galaxies into the night sky, and the key example of starburst galaxy where intense star formation is occurring. NGC 588, a spiral galaxy located into the constellation Pegasus. It is part of the NGC 588 group of galaxies, which is the vicinity of the Perseus clusters. It is 67 million light years. NGC 891 is another group of galaxies. Is the age of spiral galaxy to the constellation Andromeda. It is often compared to the Milky Way due to the similar size and structure, but its age on view makes it look like a thin, glowing lines of stars. So today we are going to conclude here, since we have a lot to cover in other episodes. So next time you're looking and gazing through the stars, remember they are billion light years away. Might think they're very closer to us, but they are not. They are very far distance, a distance that we can only dream of reaching. But for the most part, we can look up at the sky throughout the night and enjoy them as they move